I'm currently at the hall of WATERTECH exhibition in Guangzhou, and just follow my lead and check the booth. So this one is almost done. The carpet is well protected by the sheet of plastic. This fair is going to be kicking off next morning. So they are installing the LED wall for this stand. I just walk along this aisle, and the principal booth can be noticed and seen by us, since the chief ones are besides the aisle. This guy is moving the scaffold, and that lady is wearing the helmet. Sandal. Most of the exhibitors are the domestic ones. I haven't seen any international ones. And that guy is rolling the paint. The janitor has been working so hard. That wooden crate, the exhibits can be contained inside and moved here by the logistic companies. That one is quite bright. So everyone has to work hard in order to kill the projects within the scheduled time. So I'd like to use the chance to see it again. This is the WATERTECH trade fair in Guangzhou. It's going to be kicking off tomorrow morning. Everything is rolling ahead smoothly. Each person has its function here. Everyone has the responsibility. And when we enter this hall, we have to wear the badge, the exhibitor card. So the carpet is being ready. The aisle and the passages will be covered by the carpets, I think. Okay guys, I hope you are enjoying it. If you like this kind of video, just give me a like. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.